My name is Takeda Eastern with Challenge 2014, and today I'm going to be doing problem number 9 from the Math Calculus 1000 exam problems. Okay, so what we're going to do is take these three equations and figure out what dz over dx is when x is equal to 1. So our first actual step is realizing that if we were to plug in everything, that we will get 1 step closer to our answer. So that's going to be our first step, plugging in u into w. Okay, so once we plug in u into w, we see that we're going to have x squared minus 3x plus 5 squared, because that's what our w is. And then we're going to have 3x squared plus 3x minus 3x plus 5, and its own little bubble, and then our 2 on the end. So our first step is isolating this part of the equation. And to do that, we're going to use the box method, which is a little bit cleaner for me. So that's what we're going to use. So we've got x to the 4th minus 3x cubed minus 3x cubed, 5x squared, we've got 9x squared, we've got 15x, we've got 25, 15x, and 5x squared. So if we were to lay out everything that we just got, we need to combine like terms to get our final answer. So we've got x to the 4th, negative 3x cubed, negative 6x cubed, 5x squared, 9x squared, and 5x squared. And we've got our negative 15x and our negative 15x and our 25. So now we're going to combine our like terms. And the first half of our w is x to the 4th minus 3x cubed plus 19x plus 30x plus 25. So now we're going to work on this part of the problem. We're going to change colors. Okay, for this part of the problem, all we're doing is distributing the 3 to each part of the equation. So we've got 3x squared minus 9x plus 15. So now let's add that to our other half of our equation. So we've got plus 3x squared minus 9x. Oh, it's supposed to be negative. Plus 15. We can't forget this 2 up here. This 2 is very critical. Let's bring that down. So let's add this all up. So we've got 5, 10, 12, 42 minus 39x plus 22x squared. Bring down that is 6x cubed and x to the 4th. So this is our final w. Okay, so our next step is going to be applying this w to our z equation, which is right here. Okay, so our z equation is applying 2 across all of w minus 7. So we have to distribute this 2 across every element in our equation, and that is going to give us this part here, which is 2x to the 4th minus 12x cubed plus 44x squared minus 78x plus 84 minus 7. And this here simplifies to 77 as well as the next part. So now that we've got z finished, this is our z, we have to do our last step, which is finding the derivative. Okay, so let's find the derivative of dz over dx. Okay, so applying our simple addition rules when taking derivatives, we can take out all of our constants, as you see here, taking them out. So then we'll rewrite everything as 2, and then we'll use our power rule, which is bringing out our exponent and reducing our exponent by 1. Minus 12 times 3 x And then our constant rule plus 0. Okay, so now let's simplify this. So we've got 8x to the third minus 36x squared plus 88x minus 78. And this is dz over dx. We're not finished. We have to figure out when x is equal to 1. So now let's plug in our final number. So 8, 1 cubed minus, it's supposed to be a 1. So we've got 8 minus 36 plus 88 plus 78, which is 8 minus 36 plus 10, 18 minus 36 equals negative 18. Final answer. We did it! Yay!